Hi, Sam. I'm excited to see you today. Are you ready for a new word?
Hi, Alex. Absolutely. What's the word for today?
Today we're learning,
heiß,
which means hot. It can refer to temperature, like hot food, or it can describe something that is trendy or popular.
Oh, interesting. Is that the most common meaning?
Yes, it's the most common one. But just be careful. In English, the word hot can also mean attractive, and that doesn't translate directly. In German,
heiß,
usually doesn't have that meaning unless you're in a specific context.
Got it. So how do you use
heiß,
in a sentence?
In German, we say,
es ist heiß heute.
to mean it is hot today. The noun form is,
Die Hitze,
which means heat. It's feminine, and the plural is.
die Hitzen,
And how do you conjugate
heiß,
as a verb?
Actually,
heiß,
is an adjective, but it comes from the verb,
heißen,
which means to be called. In the present tense, you say,
ich heiße, du heißt,
and.
sie, es heißt.
In the past tense, it's,
Ich hieß,
and the perfect form is.
ich habe geheißen.
That's a lot of forms. Can you give me a sentence with it?
Sure. You could say,
Ich heiße Sam.
which means I am called Sam.
Oh, I see.
To use.
Heiß.
As an adjective, you could say,
Die Suppe ist heiß.
which means the soup is hot.
Where does the word
Heiß.
come from?
Great question.
Heiß.
Comes from Old High German,
Heiz.
and is related to the Middle High German,
Heiz.
which also means hot. It's fascinating how it's kept the same meaning throughout the centuries.
That is interesting.
Now, let's break down the word.
Heiß.
The root is,
Heiß.
and there's no prefix or suffix. It's a simple word, and it stands alone.
That makes it easy to remember.
Exactly. The simplicity helps.
Can you give me some similar words?
Sure. Here are a few. First, we have,
Heiß.
with the same root,
Heißer.
means hotter, and
Am heißesten.
means hottest. Then, there's
Die Hitze.
for heat.
What about other words with the same pattern?
Good point. You could also look at
Süß.
meaning sweet, with
Süßer.
for sweeter and
Am süßesten.
for sweetest. Then there's
Kalt.
for cold, which turns into
Kälter.
and.
Am kältesten.
Wow, that's really helpful.
Now let's practice speaking. Imagine you're at a restaurant and you want to describe the soup. You could say,
Die Suppe ist heiß, oder?
Die Suppe ist heiß, oder?
perfect. Now, how about at a party? You could say,
Es ist heiß hier drinnen.
which means it is hot in here.
Es ist heiß hier drinnen.
Great. And one more for when you're discussing the weather.
Heute ist es sehr heiß.
Heute ist es sehr heiß.
I like this.
Remember,
Heiß.
is an adjective, so we use it in informal and formal settings.
Are there common phrases with it?
Yes. You might hear,
Heiß und kalt.
meaning hot and cold, or
Heiß begehrt.
meaning in high demand. Just be careful with,
Heiß.
as it can be confused with,
Hoch.
which means high.
Good to know. Can you give me a few example sentences with
Heiß.
Sure. Here's one.
Der Kaffee ist heiß.
Meaning the coffee is hot. Another could be,
Es wird heiß im Sommer.
which means it gets hot in summer. You could also say,
Die Temperaturen sind sehr heiß.
meaning the temperatures are very hot.
these are helpful.
Now let's quiz you a bit. What does
Heiß.
mean?
It means hot.
Correct. What is the past tense of
Heißen.
I think it's
Heiß.
exactly? What's the noun form of heat?
is it?
Die Hitze.
Yes. How do you say it is hot today in German?
Es ist heiß heute.
Perfect. Last one, can you give me a comparative form of?
Heiß.
Heißer.
Right again. You did great, Sam. So to summarize, we learned about the word,
Heiß.
its meanings, forms, and uses.
Yes, this was really fun. Thanks, Alex.
You're welcome. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.